friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making stuffed bell peppers, also known as Piman no nikuzume. It's a healthier version of Hamburg. You could have meat and vegetables at the same time. And the funny thing is, it's a combination of the best popular food Hamburg and the worst popular vegetable bell pepper among kids. So it's a strategic recipe of Japanese mom to make their children eat more vegetables to be healthy. Let's get started. First, we are making the filling. I want to make it healthier today, so I am using ground chicken and tofu. The filling is softer than beef or pork, so it's easier to eat. Use a thin blade sharp knife to mince the onion into small pieces. Combine ground chicken, tofu, and mince the onion. 1 large egg, salt, sake, and black pepper. Combine well until the filling is sticky. I almost forgot to add grated ginger. Add panko breadcrumb and combine well to adjust the consistency. It's okay to leave small pieces of tofu in the filling. Next, cut the green bell pepper into half and remove the stem and seeds. Cover your cutting board with a piece of plastic wrap and then place the prepared green bell pepper cut side up. This is for an easy cleanup. Dust with all-purpose flour evenly to stick the filling. And fill it up with the filling. Be sure to fill the cavity inside the green bell pepper and push the filling to stick together. And if there is a leftover filling, there's always a leftover actually. We are making a small meatball, so set it aside. Before start cooking, whisk well with the sauce ingredients. Today I use miso because it goes so well together with green bell pepper, but you can always use tomato sauce or teriyaki sauce instead. Heat a frying pan on medium heat, and when it is hot enough, start cooking the prepared green bell pepper, the filling side down. Cook a couple of minutes until the surface is golden brown, and flip it over and cover and cook another 5 minutes until cooked through. My frying pan is not big enough to cook all of them, so in a separate frying pan, cook the leftover and the leftover filling shape into a meatball. While cooking, slice myoga, the Japanese ginger. It's a summer produce and we often use it for toppings, but you can skip it or replace it with scallions or regular ginger. Shiso leaves has a refreshing aroma. You don't need a knife, just tear it up into small pieces. Let's go back to the green bell pepper. It's all cooked through, so pour in the glaze. Cook until reduced, constantly shaking the frying pan, or use your spoon to pour over the sauce over the green bell pepper, and it looks good. Stop cooking and transfer to a serving dish and finish with the toppings. And it's good to go. Japanese stuffed bell pepper offers a savory, umami-rich taste with a well-balanced combination of miso and other ingredients. Enjoy the taste of summer! Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!